How to delete duplicate photos on Android device. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head towards Google Play Store, search for Files application. You can see in the results at the top, Files by Google. Simply click on Install if you have not installed it yet. After that, sync your gallery and photos everything with this application. Once it has been synced, you will be able to see a folder for duplicate photos. If you don't, you can simply search for it. Now there might not be any duplicate picture in my photo gallery, that is why it does not show any folder. So that's it. Just like that, you will be able to delete your folder of duplicate photos in Android device. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.